Mel here from Love This City TV. As you can see, we're at the Rogers Centre, day before Sensation White Toronto. I'm here with Eric, one of the masterminds behind Sensation, not just in Toronto, but worldwide. Eric, what you're doing is an incredible show for people to experience. Why don't you tell me a little bit about it?
Thank you very much. Well, it's a joy to do it. Well, we started 20 years ago about doing parties in Holland because we used to visit those parties ourselves, but they were really small, minor and illegal at the moment. And it got a little bit out of hand, so now we're doing the biggest sport arenas in the world, so including the Rogers Centre in Toronto.
I think there's a little history behind Sensation as well, with two brothers. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, we started as a group of friends doing these parties, and after the first Sensation, which was held 15 years ago in Amsterdam, unfortunately one of the guys got killed in a car crash. And we were shocked, of course, but we didn't want to mourn that he got killed, but we wanted to celebrate that he lived before, so we decided to do his funeral all in white instead of in black. And as a tribute to him, the second Sensation, we asked the audience to come in white, and about 80% of the audience showed up in white. So it was for us a personal, fantastic tribute, but in the end it was a fantastic element in the show. So we decided to keep it into the show as a tribute to him, and also as a very important theme in the Sensation show.
I think that's so amazing, because Sensation is more than just an event. It's actually a tribute and a celebration to life, dressed in white, and that just gives me a lot of mad respect for it, so much more. So tell me about your different shows and how you guys got certain DJs involved and the types of music and the conceptualization of performances.
Yeah, when we started, we just had we had hardstyle DJs, even hardcore DJs, and even club DJs all on one stage, all following in a row. But then we noticed that the audience was getting so big, so we tried to focus on one kind of style of music. In the beginning it was a little bit of trance, and later on it became more house. And now, yeah, it's still house, and sometimes with some EDM influences. And we've got 5 different shows touring all over the world. And they all have the white dress code, of course. They all have the center stage. But they all have different themes and different decos, different stages, and also different styles of music. That makes it very diverse, so whenever we come back next year, you got a total different show. I think that's one of the important special things that we bring to the audience.
So when you're traveling to different places in the world, are there different performers, different DJs?
Yeah, we never have one. We only have one DJ, which is always with us. That's Mr. White, and he always starts up the crowd. And later on, there are different DJs performing. It's also because there are different cultures and different DJs are popular in the country, but also because of the availability of the DJs, of course. And also we always have Mr. MCG as a host, of course, which is very important.
Even though we're just at the preview of Sensation White, I'm still feeling a little underdressed, so I'm going to go get my all-white outfit, and we'll check you tomorrow.